different online situation. At workplace during a break, Danvik and Vaishant are chatting at the lockers. Kirti and Nakul joined them.
Hey Vaishant, I've finally set up my UPI account for online payments.
That's cool. I just did mine too. It's so convenient.
I heard you have to be ready getting super pins and OTPs fast later.
Yeah, I read that sharing your UPI pin or OTP can be dangerous. Hey guys, I got a message. Hey Vekwa, can you share your UPI pin with me? I need to make a payment for our group project and I'll send it back to you.
Wait, are you sure you should do that? It sounds risky.
Yeah, I've heard that sharing your UPI or OTP can lead to your account being hacked.
But it's just for our group project. Do you think it's a big deal? I'm sharing my credentials.
Yeah.
What's wrong, Vekwa? I shared my UPI pin with someone and now my account has been hacked. It took a lot of money.
Oh no, it's really sad.
Oh no, Vekwa. Did you report it to your bank and file a case in RBI website?
Yes, but they said it might be hard to recover the lost money. I wish I hadn't shared my credentials.
That's what. This is an important lesson. Always keep your UPI pin and OTP secure.
Oh no.
Scene 2. At workplace during a break, Vaishant, Kirti and Fedora are seated at the workplace scrolling through the social media account. Vekwa and Vaishant joined them.
Hey Fedora, check out this new photo I just posted. It shows me at our office with our office address.
Wow, so good photo Kitty. But is it okay to share your address like that?
I don't think it's a big deal. I trust my address. Besides, everyone knows where my office is.
Your wish.
I don't know, Kirti, sharing an address could be risky. Anyone can see it and might potentially misuse it. Yeah, not just friend. What if someone with bad intentions says it? Kirti, Anudip and Danvik are seated at their workplace. Then they suddenly saw a stranger arriving.
Oh no, who is that? I wasn't expecting anyone.
I think it's not from internet. There might be a because of their social media post.
Oh no, did you share your personal details online?
Yeah, I posted a photo with our office address.
Oh no, this might be dangerous to share out that information.
Let's call your parents and the authorities to make sure everything is okay.
Kirti calls her parents and explains the situation. The stranger eventually leaves.
And remember, if something seems suspicious, it's better to err on the side of caution and avoid sharing personal details.
Great role play, everyone. To sum up, this scenario here highlights how sharing personal information online can lead to a dangerous situation. Even seemingly harmless posts can have serious consequences.
Keep your pin secure. Never share your OTPs and pins with anyone.
Be cautious. Be careful with requests of your financial information through secure channels. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect that your account is being compromised, then report it to your bank immediately. Privacy settings. Adjust your privacy settings for your social media account to control who can see your posts.
Think before you post. Consider how your post might be used by others. Be cautious with friend requests. Only accept friend requests whom you know in real life.
Report suspicious activity. If you encounter suspicious behavior activity, report it and protect your information.
Some common issues and problems that might be encountered in context of cyber awareness training. Lack of English. Many people, especially students, may find cyber awareness training uninteresting or irrelevant, leading to disengagement. Solution: use interactive and engaging methods such as role play, games, real-life scenarios to make training more appealing. Incorporate multimedia elements and hands-on activities to capture interest.
Knowledge gaps. Problem. Students and individuals may not fully understand cyber threats or how to protect themselves, leading gaps in knowledge. Solution. Ensure that the practice is comprehensive and regularly updated. Use simple language and practical examples to explain complex concepts. You provide resources and support for those who need additional help.
Overconfidence. Individuals might be overconfident about their online safety and believe that they are not at risk, leading to a careless behavior. Solution. Emphasize real-world examples of cyber incidents and their consequences. Highlight that anybody can be a target and that vigilance is necessary regardless of pursued expertise.
Privacy concerns. Problem. Some individuals might be wary of sharing personal information or participating in activities that could compromise their privacy. Solution. Assure participants that their privacy is protected. Use anonymized data and secure methods to ensure that no personal information is exposed during trainings or assessments.
Lack of parental involvement. Parents may not be actively involved in their children's online activities, leading to a gap in understanding and support for cyber safety. Encourage parental involvement through workshops, resources, and communication. Provide parents with information and tools to help them support their children's online safety.
There might be misconceptions about what constitutes a cyber threat or how to respond to one. Solution. Common misconceptions through accurate and straightforward information. Use case study or real-life examples to clarify this. Common misconceptions through accurate and straightforward information. Provide clear understanding of cyber security concepts.
Psychological impacts. Learning about cyber threats can sometimes create anxiety and fear, especially among younger individuals. Solution. Provide balanced information that also includes perspective individuals can take to protect themselves. Focus on empowering participants with knowledge and skill rather than instilling fear.
Hope so this information in the form of skit got you more awareness.
Thank you all.